So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then again 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 0 times 0 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. But here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have subtraction, multiplication and subtraction. So first priority is multiplication, right? So now 1 minus 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. Now here we have subtraction and here subtraction, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this subtraction, right? So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Now 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So the correct answer is minus 1, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.